Hey you and welcome back to the study slide. Today I'm going to give you a review of these EduCard 40 sample paper booklets of ICSE class 10 and it comes with two volume. बहुत भारी. Okay, so let us begin now. Okay, so here we go with these two volumes. First of all, we have this one. This may you will get physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. Okay, and second one will be for English literature, language, history, civics, and geography. Let us start with our volume one. Okay, so here is our first volume, and when we open it, we got this kind of preview. Okay, here is तरुण रूपानी सर ओके उनकी पूरी डिटेल दी गई है एंड फर्स्ट वी गेट वन बुकलेट ठीक है जो कि कुछ इस तरह की दिखेगी ओके एंड इन विच यू विल गेट 40 सैम्पल पेपर क्वेश्चन इसके अंदर फिजिक्स के 10 पेपर्स है केमिस्ट्री के 10 बायोलॉजी 10 एंड मैथ्स 10 ठीक है देन टॉकिंग अबाउट इसमें कितने परसेंट कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन एंड ऑल सारी चीज़ें तो 40% कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड हायर ऑर्डर एबिलिटी क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे आपको हर एक पेपर में ओके आफ्टर दैट यू विल गेट 5 पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स ठीक है इंक्लूडिंग द लेटेस्ट स्पेसिमेन पेपर ऑफ 2026 देन यू विल गेट 3 फ्रेश पेपर्स for each subject and it will be in new pattern. Then most likely ICC sets for board like practice at home. Okay, this is what's inside in this book. Then this book is exclusively following the new ICSE class 10th pattern changes as per the official 24th July 2025 specimen paper. Okay, now let us jump into this book. ठीक है, so ये वही first preview हो जाएगा. Then you will get the contents over here. First of all तो पूरा physics का part रहेगा in phase 1 that is inside the book. Phase 2 is also inside the book and in phase 1 you will get 5 sample paper questions with solutions. Okay, 2 to 5 sample paper लास्ट में मिलेगा एंड sample paper 1 का उसी के अंदर मिलेगा. Okay, then you will get in phase 2 you will get 3 fresh sample paper questions okay for self assessment and for phase 3 that is sealed with the books जो हम लोग अभी आगे देखेंगे ये वाले. Okay, so you will get 2 sample papers in that and you will have two answer booklets too of this okay for with OMR sheet. Okay, after this physics के बाद में you will get chemistry. Okay, likewise you will get the mathematics and the biology one. Okay, then you will have blueprint of the whole question paper for each subject. Science paper 1 that is physics mein you will get this kind of things for blueprint, then science paper 2 for chemistry and you will get the biology here and you will get the mathematics here. Okay, after that you will get time management for each subject, physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Okay, and here is one page in which EduCard premium study material has been given okay by which you can scan over here and everything will be given to you. Now talking about how to solve the OMR sheet सब कुछ यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है okay. Then coming towards physics phase जो 1 है वो यहाँ से start होता है okay. From here this is specimen of 2026 then sample paper 2 then sample paper 3 4 and 5 okay. 7th sample paper okay. Then comes for chemistry part. Here is the chemistry one. Then you will get likewise for all subjects okay with full detailed answer key and with the concept applied along with the explanation, detailed explanation along with what examiners say and caution, detailed answers along with what examiners say, caution, concept applied and many more things like this. Every suggestion, every concept is going to be there in this full book. If you want to buy it, link is in the description box and you can use my coupon code SSV40 for additional discounts. Okay, so this is all about our volume 1 booklet. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमारे phase 1 and phase 2 complete हो गया है इस पूरी book में. Okay, now we'll move towards the phase 3 that is sealed with this book. We'll have these sample papers in which we'll get physics, biology, mathematics and chemistry. We have 2 question paper of each subject over here. ठीक है, तो आपको सारे के सारे sample paper यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे. This is for practice at home, okay, and you will get papers for each, okay, with OMR sheets and this is exactly the board exam paper. ठीक है, ऐसा ही आपका board exam paper आएगा. I have also solved one board exam paper for you guys. If you haven't watched that video, you can go and watch that out. The link is in the description box in which I have already uploaded related to paper presentation, how to do paper presentation in English language as well as how to do answer writing in exact board exam sheet. So you can go and watch that out. Now let us move towards the another part of this booklet that is FAQs, frequently asked questions. तो ये कुछ questions हैं and this is all about our फुल बुकलेट. यहाँ पर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स दी गई है. अटेम्प्ट एडुकार्ड पेपर्स फॉर प्री बोर्ड्स एंड बोर्ड्स ओके यू कैन यूज देम फॉर दैट. देन गिव फिक्स्ड टाइम पर क्वेश्चन टाइप. एवरीथिंग इज रिटन इन द क्वेश्चन. देन टीचर्स सजेशंस आर गोल्ड ओके एवरीथिंग इज रिटन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेल यू दैट एग्जामिनर सजेशन इज रिटन देयर इन द बुक्स. देन रीड योर आंसर्स ऑफ सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन ट्वाइस. ठीक है, मतलब कुछ टिप्स दे दी है आप लोग को. डेडिकेट रफ वर्क स्पेस ओके साइड में करने का बोला हुआ है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट वॉल्यूम 1 ओके. सो हेयर इज अवर नेक्स्ट वॉल्यूम विच कवर्स इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हिस्ट्री, सिविक्स, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर एंड and geography 10 sample paper questions. Okay, and this is likewise the same. ठीक है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वॉल्यूम वन में चार अलग सब्जेक्ट्स हैं एंड इट हैव डिफरेंट फोर सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, बाकी एवरीथिंग इज सेम एज दैट, है ना. You will get lot more things in it. Then the question papers for exact real feeling for board exam, and here are the board sheets, answer booklets, and it is done. So yes, that was all about today's video. I hope it helped you, and I hope you will buy this book because these are very important for your last minute preparation. Along with it, you have to do a lot more preparation in gap days too. So if you will buy this book before your boards and before your gap days, before the exams start, so you will do very better in your full board exams, and trust me, you can score very better in your ICSE class 10th by using all these ICSE class 10th 40 sample papers by EduCard. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it right now because many more contents for ICSE class 10th are here on my channel. And like to this video if it helped you. Comment down below what you want next, which subject you want next, and yes, share to your friends for more. And thank you. Bye bye.